Changzhou Juyou New Materials Technology Co. Limited has been deeply involved in the organosilicon new materials industry for over 20 years. Based in Changzhou, the company boasts two modern production bases in Dexin, Jiangxi and Foshan, Guangdong, possessing the mature supply chain, strong R&D capabilities, and large-scale production capacity. Delivery is efficient and stable, and the company can handle large volume and customized orders. The company adheres to the bottom line of safe and green production. Equipped with complete waste gas and wastewater treatment and hazardous chemical closed-loop management systems, ensuring compliance and environmental protection throughout the entire production process. State-of-the-art thermostatic raw material tank storage, monitored online around the clock, preventing raw material contamination at the source end, ensuring the basic quality of products. The company is equipped with fully automated standardized production workshops, possessing 5 core production lines: organosilicon elastomer gel, organosilicon emulsion, phenol silicone oil, daily chemical grade silicone oil, and silicone resin film forming agents. The entire production process is automated, with precise and controllable processes, ensuring stable and consistent product batches, and meeting the high-end customized requirements of the daily chemical and cosmetic industries. Our product range is comprehensive, covering specialty silicone oils, silicone elastomer gels, silicone resins, daily chemical grade silicone oils, ink and coating additives, silicone defoamers, silicone agricultural additives, electronic chemicals, building material waterproofing agents, leather coatings, and textile auxiliaries, fully meeting the material needs of various industries including daily chemicals, agriculture, electronics, building materials, and textiles leather. Leveraging our own professional R&D laboratory, we continuously optimize formulas, develop new products, and support customized services for our clients. We have also established a full process quality inspection system, conducting testing from raw materials to finished products, ensuring traceability of quality. Coupled with an intelligent warehousing system, we offer flexible inventory management and rapid delivery, guaranteeing efficient order fulfillment. With 2 decades of dedicated craftsmanship, Juyou New Materials has earned global recognition for its stable quality and attentive service, with products sold both domestically and internationally. In the future, we will adhere to our 4 core principles: quality, safety, environmental protection, and innovation, providing customers with one-stop silicone new material solutions, working together to achieve mutual success and build a new future for the industry.